Today, we are learning about jobs and the tools used for them. This is the doctor. He provides necessary treatment to the patients.
This is the teacher. She provides the necessary knowledge to the children.
This is the firefighter. He helps put out the fire in case of a fire.
This is the scientist. He is conducting experiments.
This is the chef. He makes delicious food.
This is the artist. She gives us pleasure.
This is the gardener. He gives us vegetables and fruits. Doctor and medical equipment. This is a doctor.
What is this?
This is a stethoscope.
What's this equipment?
This equipment is thermometer.
What is that?
That is medical kit.
What is this?
This is injections. Teacher and equipment. This is a teacher.
What is this?
This is green board.
What's this equipment?
This equipment is syllabus book.
What is that?
That is green board eraser.
What is this?
This is marker pen. Firefighter and equipment. This is a firefighter.
What is this?
This is a fire hose.
What's this equipment?
This equipment is helmet.
What is that?
That is fire extinguisher.
What is this?
This is a uniform. Scientist and equipment. This is a scientist.
What is this?
This is a microscope.
What's this equipment?
This equipment is test tubes.
What is that?
That is safety goggles.
What is this?
This is gloves. Chef and equipment. This is a chef.
What is this?
This is a pan.
What's this equipment?
This equipment is knife.
What is that?
That is chef hat.
What is this?
This is a recipe book. Artist and equipment. This is an artist.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
What is this equipment?
This equipment is a brush.
What is that?
That is color plate.
What is this?
This is a canvas. Gardener and equipment. This is a gardener.
What is this?
This is a shovel.
What's this equipment?
This equipment is a watering can.
What is that?
That is gardening gloves.
What is this?
This is a wheelbarrow.